Out here in this blizzard. Just had to come out and get some air. Going to the Walmart. Walking to Walmart. I called, they said it's open. So we out here. It is beautiful out here. Made it to Walmart.
I got no hot cocoa.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Listen,
Hot cocoa.
you ain't got no hot chocolate.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Yeah, ready? I feel the torch here.
Happy Sunday. Back from Walmart. We walked. And it wasn't that bad. But it's starting to get bad. I'm laid up. I had on a sweater, sweatshirt, my pajamas, my sweatpants, some other pants, and my pajama pants. We had a hearty breakfast this morning. We had sausage, bacon, eggs, and grits. I gotta wash the dishes. But tonight we will have spaghetti with garlic bread. Okay, let me show you what we got. I got some lemon juice, rotel dip, the ground beef for the rotel dip, because I got ground beef, but I'm making that for spaghetti. And we probably have to get deodorant. Hot snack, a milk dog, lemon and peanuts, Sour Patch Kids 1 million. This is all we're going to do. Nasty cookies. Did I see that smell? No. Biscuits for tomorrow morning breakfast. Entenmann's assorted donuts. Salted stick of butter. Some sweet chips. Some sweet corn and cob. And look at all this snow inside, guys. Hawaiian punch juice. Had me some pineapple juice, but I was making me a drink. Dangerous slushy machine. Yeah. Another juice. Orange juice Tropicana. A Pepsi soda. And some Cheetos lemon hot fries. Thank y'all guys so much for watching. See y'all in the next video.